Okay, here we are. Once again, this time we're going to be going over a recent fraction computation quiz assessment. This didn't go in the grade book as an assessment, but it was an assessment to figure out where students were in the progression of fraction computation problems. There will be a computation quiz coming up soon. That will matter, but this is a practice along the way, so use this video to review certain types of problems and to be able to get to the point where you master them. Here we go. First problem that we have here is 5/18 plus 7/18. This is the easiest kind because my denominators are the same. It's just like adding 5 cars plus 7 cars. 12/18. Can I simplify this? Yes, I can, because I can divide top and bottom by 6. So this is the same as 2/3. Here's my answer. And look at this. Number 2 works the same way. Denominators are the same. So I have 13 plus 8 is 21. Oh, both of these numbers are divisible by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 28 divided by 7 is 4. My answer is 3/4. Next up, 2/3 plus 4/21. Now the denominators are different, so I'm going to have to convert the denominators. And I notice that, hey, if I multiply 3 by 7, I get this denominator. So I'm just going to change this one fraction by multiplying top and bottom by 7. When I do that, I have 14/21 plus 4/21. That leaves me with 18/21. And both of these numbers are divisible by 3. So I'll divide top and bottom by 3. When I do that, I have 6/7. Another way to see it is 18 is the same as 3 times 6, and 21 is the same as 3 times 7. That's by factoring, because I factored top and bottom, and I have the same digit, top and bottom. I can cancel those out, and again, 6/7. Number 4, 5/6 minus 3/4. I could multiply this by 6 and this by 4 and have 24 be my denominator. But hey, if I multiply 6 by 2 and I multiply 4 by 3, I get 12, because 12 is a multiple of both 4 and 6. So I'm going to multiply these by 3. I'm going to multiply this fraction top and bottom by 2. That leaves me with 10/12 minus 9/12. So obviously my denominator is going to be 12. 10 minus 9 is 1. There's my answer. Next, I have a mixed number now. So 9 1/2 plus 5/6. Again, the denominators are different. When I add and subtract, the denominators must be the same. If I multiply the 2 by 3, I get the 6. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 3. And so now this problem looks like 9 and 3/6 plus 5/6. 9 plus 0 is 9. 5/6 plus 3/6 is 8/6. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now this right here is more than 1 because the top number is larger than the bottom. That means I can think of this as 9 plus 6 plus 2/6. Right? 6 plus 2 is 8. And 6/6 is 1. So if I went one more step, I can go 9 and 6/6 plus 2/6. Remember, when the denominators are the same, you just add the numerators, which is exactly what this problem over here is. Now 6/6 is the same as 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and 2, 6. And both of these can be simplified. 10 and 1/3 is my final answer. Let me write that here. 10 and 1/3, since I ran out of space here. Next up, 12 and 1/5 plus 7 and 3/4. Here I'm going to have to multiply top and bottom by the other fraction's denominator, because there's no smaller value less than 20 that I can use. So this becomes 12 and 4/20 plus 7 and 15/20. 12 plus 7 is 19. It's a 20th because the denominators are the same. 4 plus 15 is 19. 19 and 19/20. So I have a whole number minus a mixed number. Now, I don't have any 7ths to take away from the 9, so I'm going to have to borrow from this 9 and write it as 8. And I want to be able to take from 7ths. So 9 is the same as 8 plus 1, so there's my 8. And my 1 I'm going to write as 7 sevenths. Minus 3 and 4 sevenths. 7 sevenths minus 4 sevenths is 3 sevenths. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 and 3 sevenths. One last problem. 12 and 1/2 minus 5 and 7 ninths. I'm going to multiply both fractions by the other fraction's denominator, because there's no smaller denominator I can make. So this becomes 12 and 9/18 minus 5 and 14/18. So can I take away 14/18 from 9/18? No, I can't. So that means I'm going to have to borrow from the 12. So the 12 is going to become 11 plus 1. And I'm going to write my 1 as 18/18. So this becomes 11. That's that. And I have 18/18 and 9/18. Together, that becomes 27/18. So 12 and 1/2 is the same thing as 11 and 27/18. Minus 5 and 14/18. Now I can take 14 away from 27. 11 minus 5 is 6. 27 minus 14 is 13/18. Done. Hope this video helps. Practice yourself. You will get better at this. Just takes practice. Have a nice day.